Hello everyone! Today we will make a chicken feeder from used water gallons. Cost-effective, easy to make, and very useful for home farming. Don't throw away your used gallons yet, because we can transform them into a practical chicken feeder. First we make some small holes in the bottom of the gallon. Measure around it and mark it to make 6 to 8 holes measuring 5 centimeters. This hole will be where the chicken's head will go in and out. Then cut the perforated gallon into 2 parts. We cut it right in the middle. Then take another used gallon and cut it in the middle into 2 parts. Then take a 2-inch PVC pipe, insert it into the neck hole of the gallon jug. After inserting the PVC pipe, then make a small hole on top of it. This hole will be where the chicken feed comes out. Then use a glue gun so that the PVC pipe doesn't shift easily and is strong. Once installed, let's fill the gallon with chicken feed. Try to see if the feed comes out automatically into the tray. If the feed flow is smooth and does not spill, it means it works. The chickens start eating from the tools we make. You can add a cover on top of the gallon so that rainwater or dirt doesn't get in. To make it last, clean the food container once a week, wash it with soap and water, then dry it in the sun before using it again. How? It's very easy, right? From used goods that are usually thrown away, now we have a practical and free chicken feeder. Don't forget to share it with friends who have chickens at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY ideas. See you in the next video.